Casey and welcome back to Genius Baking. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked eggs for a quick, easy, on-the-go breakfast. For the ingredients, I'll be using olive oil cooking spray, cream, 4 eggs, marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese, chives, and salt and pepper to top. I'm going to start off by spraying 2 ramekins with the olive oil cooking spray. I'm now going to pour about a 1/4 cup of marinara sauce into each of the ramekins. Now crack 2 eggs into each ramekin. I'm now going to pour in a teeny bit of whipping cream and then sprinkle the tops with Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper. With my baked eggs ready to go, I'm going to preheat my toaster oven to 400 degrees and bake them for about 10 minutes. Remove them from the toaster oven and enjoy. These make for a great breakfast or on-the-go treat and taste delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Genius Baking. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram @GeniusBaking. See you guys later.